What did you do last night?
I went to the park.
You didn't sleep well last night, did you?
Yes, I went to bed at 2 o'clock and got up at 5 o'clock.
If you aren't in a hurry, please sit down and have a talk with me.
That's okay.
My parents approve of my job.
That's great to hear.
What's your favorite type of poetry?
I love romantic poetry that touches the soul.
I lived with my grandmother when I was a child.
She brought me up. Me too, so I have a good relationship with my grandmother.
Do you enjoy going to amusement parks?
Yes, the thrill of roller coasters is unmatched.
What time is it now?
It's 10 minutes to 2 o'clock.
What size do you wear?
I'm a size 10.
I'm too busy.
Maybe we can go next week.
How heavy is the box?
About 10 kilograms.
Anything to drink?
A small glass of whiskey, please.
What's your favorite type of dance?
My favorite type of dance is salsa.
Will you be at home tomorrow?
I'll be away on business tomorrow.
Which is your best subject?
I am best at math.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas, I love the festive atmosphere.
Hold on a second.
Certainly.
How is the service of that store?
Good.
I am almost finished with the difficult job.
Keep it up.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
Who do you live with?
I live alone.
Did you have diarrhea last night?
Yes, 4 or 5 times.
Have you ever tried parasailing?
Yes, it was exhilarating soaring above the sea.
Have you finished the book bought last time?
Yes, it is very nice.
Would you like beef or chicken?
Chicken, please.
I'd like to speak with Mr. Kim.
Mr. Kim is busy on another phone.
Have you ever visited a famous landmark?
Yes, I've been to the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Can I pay by check or credit card?
Sorry, we only take cash.
What's your favorite genre at book fairs?
Science fiction always piques my interest.
I'll see you at 6.
I look forward to seeing you.
What kind of sports do you like?
I like swimming.
Have you ever tried glassblowing?
Yes, it's mesmerizing to see glass take shape.
I want to work abroad.
Where would you like to go?
Excuse me, but is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Have you ever tried stand-up paddleboarding?
Yes, it's peaceful gliding on calm waters.
You didn't sleep well last night, did you?
Yes, I went to bed at 2 o'clock and got up at 5 o'clock.
What time do you close?
We close at 9 p.m.
What's your friend's name?
His name is John Smith. Who told you?
What's your favorite book?
I like To Kill a Mockingbird.
What sports can you play?
I'm good at tennis and swimming.
Do you like going to street festivals?
Yes, the vibrant atmosphere is contagious.
I would like to eat sushi.
I want to eat rice and soup.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'll go skiing if the weather permits.
Can you do a headstand?
No, I can't do a headstand.
Did you cook this dish?
Yes. What about its taste? Is it good?
Why do you want to learn Chinese?
Because I want to find a good job.
Do you think this job is suitable for you?
My job allows me to be creative.
I go abroad for touring every year.
Where are you going this year?
Have you ever tried stand-up paddleboarding?
Yes, it's peaceful gliding on calm waters.
I found cash inside a vase.
Are you kidding?
I got fun in Disney.
I am glad to hear that. Where else would you like to go?
Let's split the bill.
No, I want to pay for you.
Do you enjoy going to book fairs?
Yes, discovering new authors is exciting.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on January 1st.
What is your favorite type of flower?
I love roses.
It seems warm outside.
We can go horseback riding Friday.
Have you ever tried deep-sea fishing?
Yes, reeling in a big catch is exhilarating.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
When shall we meet?
You mean to talk about the party?
Could I see the room?
Of course, let me show you.
Will you have Christmas with your family?
Of course, I will.
Could you direct me to the produce section?
Sure, it's in the back of the store.
What do you usually do for exercise?
Swimming and running are my favorite types of exercise.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
How about having dinner with me?
Sounds great.
Have you ever tried meditation?
Yes, it helps me stay centered and calm.
Excuse me, how can I get to the bus station?
You can take the bus and get off at the second stop.
Tell me what you want.
I want a bottle of red wine.
Hi Jack, where do you live now?
I live at 203 Olive Street.
How did you come here by taxi?
I didn't bring my umbrella yesterday, so I was caught in the rain.
Check, please.
Here's your check, sir.
How would you like your steak?
Medium, please.
Have you ever tried ziplining?
Yes, it was an adrenaline-pumping experience.
Whose friend is he?
My brother met him in college.
Do you like going to street food markets?
Yes, sampling different street foods is a delight.
Would you sell two for 50?
Not for less than 70.
Tomorrow is Mother's Day.
Did you get a card for your mother yet?
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
I like that I'm always willing to learn and grow.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Hiking in the mountains is exhilarating.
You are so considerate.
Everyone deserves a kind treatment.
What does she look like?
It's a new gadget I bought.
What's the matter with you?
Are you feeling bad? I seem to have a slight fever.
Do you have any exams coming up?
Yes, finals are next week.
What's the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is Mexico City.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening relaxing.
Where are you going?
To the library.
Are tuition fees and living expenses very high there?
Yes.
Have you ever tried archery?
Yes, it requires focus and precision.
Have you ever tried snorkeling?
Yes, it's amazing to explore the underwater world.
When did you see them first?
I saw them at the baseball game on Tuesday.
What's your favorite art movement?
I'm particularly fond of the abstract expressionism movement.
Have you ever tried skydiving?
No, but I've always been curious about the experience.
Do you plan to do some odd jobs?
Yes, I'm applying to work at the library.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you have a credit card?
Yes, I have.
Have you eaten?
No, but I am not hungry.
Does his film appeal to you?
Just so.
I don't have any change.
Just keep the change.
How much is it?
It's $10.
Have you reviewed what we learned yesterday?
Just a little.